Your Lordship, back to item number 39 and 40.
Huh?
40 and 41, my lord.
40 and 41.
Yes. My lord, the IA filed by the advocate, he is out of station because of disable of his younger brother, his Kohima. And also I have some difficulty to file because my client is in out of station for that.
What is your request?
My lord, I required to fix the date in 8th or 6th of December. I took the consent of the
Give our date.
either
What is
6 or
requested?
8, my lord.
Some date will be given. Don't select your date.
I am giving my lord, either 6 or
Don't select the date. I will settle the matter at your request.
my lord. My lord, after 5th of December, otherwise she will come back from the Chennai, 3rd of December. Because
That is
that
what
is
we
why,
are saying. We'll give you date.
my lord,
You
lordship,
forget it next now. Next, please.
after 5th of December.
Arre, sir, yes.
Yes,
Should
madam.
I come
Madam.
down and tell you yes?
My lord, much obliged, my
Let others mention the matter.
lord.
My lord, this matter may be listed for hearing. It came up several times earlier, my lord. My lord, the matter relates to, my lord, non-issuance of secondary certificate by the NIOS, my lord. Because of this,
You
the,
give the detail.
yes,
You want it to be listed
yes, my lord.
in hearing list too. Next.
May I pray, Lord? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 16, Lordship. Lordship, my senior learned counsel, Mr. BP Bora, has gone through a kidney stone surgery, Lordship. So yesterday he has been released from the hospital. So
Item number
16, Lordship.
16.
Yes, Lordship.
When do you want?
Lordship, after 2 weeks, Lordship.
2 weeks. That comes
Deeply
back to
obliged,
everybody.
Lordship.
Lordship, I'm praying for adjournment of item number 28, Lordship. I'm appearing for the respondent. My affidavit is pending, Lord. 28. Yes, Lord.
Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan. Your affidavit, you are filing it
No, it has been sent for vetting, Lord.
for filing affidavit, likhna order. Next.
May I please, I beg to mention item 44, Lordship.
Huh?
44, Lordship.
44.
The matter may adjourn for 2 weeks, Lordship. So my friend is appeared for the, I'm for the respondent, he's for the appellant. 2 weeks, after 2 weeks.
Okay, there is an interim with it. Check on that. Give our date.
Obliged. May I please, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 19, your Lordship. The matter adjourned for 2 weeks, Lordship.
19.
19, your Lordship.
It is a connected matter.
No, your Lordship.
What time?
19, your Lordship. Sorry, your 20, your Lordship, sorry. 20, your Lordship, very sorry.
Next.
Master, please.
May it please your lordship. I beg to mention item number 3 and 4, my lord. These matters, on the basis of the instruction of my client, my lord, we'd like to withdraw this matters, 3 and 4, my lord.
What is your name?
B. Bora, my lord.
Next.
May I please, Lord? I beg, with the consent of others, I beg to mention item number 35, Lordship. I am appealing for respondent 5. Lordship, may kindly adjourn the matter for 2 weeks, Lordship. Yes, Lordship.
Next.
Obliged.
May I please your lordships? Your lordship, I pray for listing of an writ appeal. As per order dated 5 August, it was mentioned in the order that the matter should be listed for hearing on 19/9. However, your lordship, till now, the matter has not yet been listed.
You give the details. We will get it listed.
Obliged, your lordship.
Call for the file. Next. We'll give fix some date. You just give the details to the court master. Call out.
Item number 1 of daily list for motion.
May I please, your lordship. Regarding that fake encounter, lordship.
Yes,
And
Mr.
the-
Nath
the-
was
Yes, Lordship, I am appearing on his behalf. Some time may be granted to get the instructions, Lordship.
next
Yeah.
week.
They are always taking time, lordship. This is a fake encounter and that 23 years old.
Mr. Counsel, it is just like surface matter for them. Very no, time is the only factor. Next.
Item number 2.
May I please, your lordship? In this case, your lordship, bank has filed an affidavit, your lordship. I just want to show two documents, your lordship. How this
What are your prayers? We are not concerned with the documents of the bank.
Lordship, my prayer is, your lordship, is this, your lordship, that your lordship, I have not, your lordship, mortgaged anything. I am not a loanee, your lordship. I have nothing with the loan, your lordship. And my property has not even been mortgaged by the loanee, your lordship. And in spite of that, your lordship, when they are, your lordship, and ask me to vacate the premises, your lordship.
Then you deal with the affidavit which is filed.
Lordship,
You file your further reply to that.
we have filed, your lordship.
No, your reply is not there.
Lordship. Yesterday we have filed,
It
Even-
is not on record.
lordship. Only one aspect, if your lordship permits me to show, your lordship, how this problem cropped up. Your
We are not on that. You file your reply. It is not on record.
lordship.
We'll look into it. That's not difficult.
Lordship.
2 weeks.
Lordship.
Diary. Next.
Deeply obliged, your lordship.
Matter number 46 of supplementary list.
You are aware about the order because you were all the time following that matter.
Yes, Your Lordship. Lordship, in this matter, in fact, the bank yesterday approached us. We had earlier submitted a OTS. They have approached us for talks regarding that OTS, Your Lordship. And perhaps the auction may not happen today because they have not received any bids.
At the
Let this
request
matter
of
be taken
Mr.
up after a
Pathak.
week, Your Lordship.
By, Rupam bhai, when have we kept that other matter yesterday? Surface matter. Keep it on the same day. At the request of Mr. Pathak.
Deeply obliged.
Next. Don't go ahead. Next is yours.
Item number 5 to 9 of daily list.
Only you have to change the site.
Lordship, in these matters, we have undertaken an exercise where out of almost 25 odd private respondents which they had added as parties, 22 of them, their certificates were issued before the last date of submission in the advertisement. So that certificate, that is all right. 2 people, Your Lordship, their certificates were issued after the last date of advertisement, which perhaps cannot happen. And 3 people, Your Lordship, they have passed away and their records are not traceable.
You have to file it.
We'll file it during the course of the day today, Your Lordship. The affidavit is ready.
2 weeks.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
My lord, date may be fixed, my lord.
It is always fixed, sir,
Item number 10.
to be listed in the hearing list. As the pleadings are complete. Next.
Item number 10.
They tend to be listed. As the pleadings are complete.
Item number 11.
We'll issue notice. Next.
I'm appearing for the department also.
Huh?
I'm appearing for the department.
Maybe. Next.
My lord, only thing is that there's a miscellaneous application for stay, my lord. So may I place that no, my lord, coercive action may be taken, my lord.
What action they have taken? What is the date of the order?
Till down.
Then next.
Item number 12 and 13.
Lordship, here in this case, Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of Lordship 3 and 4 in item number 12, Lordship, 13, Lordship, the cooperative, Assam Cooperative Union, Lordship. But the copy was not served to me, Lordship.
You don't know the advocate of the petitioner?
Lord.
You know him or you don't know him?
Lordship, today I got the information from the cooperation department, Lordship.
No. I'm just asking you, do you know the advocate
Yeah,
appearing for
Lordship,
the petitioner or
Lordship,
you are?
Lordship,
Then you can ask him
Lordship,
that ministerial work is not to be done by us.
Lordship.
Next. 4 weeks. Next.
Lordship.
Item number 14.
14 and 15 notice.
15 also lordship.
Notice. Next.
Item number 17 to 19.
Press matter. Press matter. We'll issue notice.
Malad.
Noted. Next.
Malad. 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 High level.
Next.
Item number 21. Please, Lordship, for the time being, Lordship, senior council taken as on lakhs, Lordship. Time being,
You want pass over
no, for the time being, Lordship. Also for the time being.
2 o'clock.
Matul.
Come at 2 o'clock.
Matul.
Next.
Item number 22.
This is also flat. Make your notice. Time period for taking some pass over.
Item number 23.
So this court had passed an order. It has been, LPR is not received. No? LPR is not received. The learned trial court. Be informed again by the registry to send the LPR by a special messenger. So as to reach this court by the next date of hearing. 12th of December. Next.
Item number 24.
That will be at 2 p.m. Next.
Item number 25.
I'm for the respondent here, Lordship. So there is a mediation procedure going on, but it is not completed. They ask for some more time.
More time. 3 weeks. As the mediation proceedings are going on, the request is made for some longer date and that will do. 6th of December. Next.
Item number 26.
May it please your lordship, I beg to seek some time because Mr. B. Sodri standing counsel, he has some difficulty. So matter will be adjourned for a week, lordship.
Next week.
Item number 27.
You have to take it to 2 o'clock. Next.
Item number 29.
This is to come to. Delay ki man 8 6 months.
Yes, Mr. Ahmed.
My lord, delay is 861 days, my lord. My lord, without arguing on merit of the case, my lord, if possible, my lord, by imposing some cost, my lord, delay may be conducted. I am ready to pay some cost, my lord. My lord, my area salary involved.
Who appears for the other side?
my lord.
Who appears for the other?
I'm appealing, my lord. In fact, there is delay of 861 days, my lord. We have already filed an objection to that.
No, they are trying to compete with the government as far as delay is concerned. It is good that government is opposing application for delay, so we can remind you when you
Yes, my lord, that I understand.
will pass appropriate orders. For orders.
Obligation.
Oblige, your lordship.
Next,
Matter number 30,
My lord, a date may be fixed, my lord, old case.
you will get to know everything.
Oblige.
For example, if Mr. Ahmed, if we dismiss your petition, then no date would be there. So you wait till the order is passed. Why do you presume that it will be allowed? Anyway, wait for the order. Next.
Oblige.
May I please lordship? Lordship, in this matter, we have filed the rejoinder affidavit already. Let it be tagged with the records.
When have you filed?
Yes, my lordship. My lordship, we have filed today only, just we are submitting about this filing of this rejoinder affidavit.
Page 59.
lordship. Certified that consistent. Yes, your lordship.
Now this area was in the water body.
Page 59, your lordship. It's a
Their,
certificate.
their reply, which is mentioning,
Yes, your lordship. It appears, it's a certificate from the Forest Range Officer Kamrup at page 59, your lordship.
no, next page. The petitioner humbly begs to state that landless families residing in so and so are originally belong to different flood affected areas. Families residing in this area are not encroachers at all. As the laws. Now look at the prayers which are prayed for.
Yes.
Page 16. Now we can stop the eviction drive because you have to follow the procedure of law.
Lordship.
Now there is no rehabilitation scheme
There is no rehabilitation scheme.
that you have ever in your affidavit.
Yes.
Therefore, we can force you to do it, but we can only say that you have to verify their identity, and only after hearing the petitioner, the eviction may take place. Because this is PIL. The person who has filed the petition is not the affected party. It is in
Lordship.
form of a PIL.
Lordship. Lordship, what has happened is otherwise they are.
Mr. Pathak,
Lordship.
please try to understand what we are saying.
Lordship.
We don't say, we are not ready to say that don't evict them.
Lordship.
But as an authority, you are supposed to follow the law of the land.
Yes, your lordship. We'll
You
do
can't
it as
just-
per the procedure laid down under forest regulation. Lordship.
You have to hear them, give them notice.
Yes.
So individual rights are protected because here petition is in form of a PIL.
Lordship.
We also intend to direct that government, if there is any rehabilitation scheme, their case may be considered. If
Lordship.
there is any.
We'll do it as per the procedure laid down under the.
No, not only that, about rehabilitation, if there is a
If
scheme,
there is a scheme.
then accommodate them.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. What have you to say?
Yes, my lordship, rehabilitation there is a law that they should be rehabilitated.
No,
before
there can't be any such law. There is no such law because you will have to establish, see, your petitioner is in form of a public interest litigate.
Yes, my
So
lordship.
general directions we are ready to issue. Otherwise, unless and until a person comes, his right is to be, we can grant a blanket stay over eviction and strengthen the encroachment. Not at all. What have you to say?
My lordship, a date may be fixed and let my senior come.
Let him have chance. There is no interim relief.
Obliged.
Give some dates. Next,
Number 31,
await service. Next. 33 also await service, so that Mr. Kyle may not have to wait. Next,
number 32,
May I plead your lordship? Lordship may kindly pass over the matter for the time being.
2 o'clock. Next,
Obliged.
number 34,
May it please your lordship. Lordship, the earlier view of the court informed to the appellant, the appellant will not respond till today, lordship. So, lordship,
then you argue,
lordship,
then you argue.
he will not contact with us, lordship.
We are not waiting for it. It is your duty. In today's world, it is impossible that a client is not contactable. Or rather, you can't contact a client over phone. It's unbelievable. In today's era. You argue marriage, will hear you on marriage.
So I'll inform lordship. I have informed to the appellant, pay to the first installment, but he will not respond till.
Therefore, we are saying you argue the matter on marriage. We can't wait for your ability to contact your client. Argue. If you are not ready, we may defer it.
Yes, lordship.
Day after tomorrow. Or Friday. Or come on Monday. Next.
letter number 36,
Yes, Mr. Dubey.
My lord.
What are your instructions?
May it please your lordship. Here, my senior, Mr. H. Umar's name is not reflected in the first list. That's why we have some difficulty.
What is your name?
My lord, my name is S. D. Roy.
Your name is reflected. Therefore,
Yes.
it is presumed that the senior knows about it.
My lord,
In fact, my friend Mrs. Somoy has informed me earlier, not though of the record, that they have filed an election petition. If that be so, my lord, that can be, all the issues can be.
Then this will not survive. Nothing left to be decided by the division bench.
let him come, my lord, because I have not instructed that.
Your name is there.
Yes, my lord.
Huh.
That is, my name is there. Even then, my lord.
Do you mean to say that we can't understand that you are placing a false pretext for adjournment before us?
No, my lord.
Then you are a young chap. You
Yes.
should have told us frankly that my senior is not available. Without asking, we would have adjourned the matter. Never make false statement in the court,
No, my lord.
and don't take court for granted.
Not.
Never do it. You have a long way to go.
Pardon me, my lord. But think
Next.
that,
Next Monday, come on Monday.
my
Never do that.
Would it be on Tuesday or Wednesday, my lord? Monday I have some difficulty.
We are going to Itanagar.
No, my lord. I have a matter in Delhi, my lord.
Which date do you want?
Wednesday, my lord.
23rd?
My lord.
letter number 37,
But for the respondent number 3, I'm appearing in this case. Let me give us 2 weeks time. But already some action has been taken. I'll file the affidavit.
This phone number 2 is not solved.
I'm for no. 2.
He is not here. He is not here. He is appearing for whom? Probably.
One, as per my knowledge, the one is I appear.
Your knowledge is correct. 2 is not solved. Now, what is the difficulty in just,
Well, already they have processed and ultimately the proposal is, to my instruction, well, it was supposed to be placed before this, land advisory committee.
Hmm.
And after the land advisory committee decision, it has to come to the government. But this instruction is not, 1 month back. So I'll take the up-to-date instruction, I'll file the affidavit, what has happened thereafter.
no, see, you turn to page 14 and read paragraph 4.
Yes. Para, lordship is indicating para 9.
Para 9,
Para
9 and 10 both. Accordingly, we direct the state government to examine
Lordship.
if any government cash land has been utilized by any person, including so and so, without proper authority.
And if to take
The
necessary
case
action. against the-
necessary, you have to take that necessary action. Now,
Yes, yes.
para 10,
Yes, my lord.
it is accordingly directed to the concerned authority shall make
Lordship.
necessary verification as to whether the so and so is presently stated to be occupying so and the necessary action that preferably within
Lordship. That
Six
verification they have done. That verification they have done. In fact, ultimately,
Therefore, now where is the question of is disobedience? Who is for the petitioner?
possibly that is why they have not here. They're not.
Let them come.
Lordship.
Are you aware about the first order?
The first order notice was issued, my lord.
Do you have the copy?
Yes, my lord.
You want the same bench to take up?
No, my lord.
Then finish it up.
Lord.
2 o'clock.
Lord.
There is no contempt left now. Now what is to be done?
Action has been taken up. Lordship.
2 o'clock. We are
Follow.
deferring the hearing. Ask him to come.
Item number 38.
You have successfully hold the court for advocates and we are conscious about it.
Madam, I have taken step and despite the notice.
David service. Next. Give some date. Next.
Item number 39.
Yes, sir.
My lord, this, my brother is saying that he needs time, my lord, to me. Otherwise, my lord,
Here, Mr. R. Mozumdar, he is appearing. Today he is unavailable.
He's coming on 17th.
Yes, madam.
Tomorrow is coming.
Yes, madam. Tomorrow is coming.
my lord, may not be tomorrow, may
Which date do you want?
23rd maybe.
Give some date. Which is coming. Next.
Oblige.
Oblige.
Item number 42.
In 42 also a similar prayer, Mr. R. Mozumdar. Right,
24.
yes, madam.
24.
Oblige.
Item number 43.
Lordship, in this matter, while going through the memo of appeal, Lordship, it was found that the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent government, Lordship, this is not tagged here in the writ appeal, Lordship, and which is not as per compliance to the rule 5, rule
Hey,
2, 4.
you produce it. What difference?
Lordship, then I require some time. I have to
2
gather
weeks.
this.
Next. Next.
Item number 45.
My lord, kindly pass over the matter for the time being.
2 o'clock.
Lordship, may this next date may be fixed, Lordship, because the matter has come for in orders, Lordship. A hearing is required, your Lordship, in matter.
Hearing.
Lordship. Much obliged. Lordship. Lordship, I filed my affidavit, Lordship. It's his record and they have filed a reply. Much obliged.
No, 2 o'clock. So there are three. So whichever one is it is also positive. Hmm. So four more to PL total. Serial number 19. Eighty. Hmm. Hmm. So automatic add. Hmm. And Sri Lamba. Okay, docket for 2 o'clock. Hold them at 2 o'clock. ये सीरीज वाले को पूरा 11 से 15. We are saying some other series also 20 to 20. So सबको वैसे 20 to 20, 19, 20 to 20. Send some messenger and ask them to be here.
My lord, I apologize for not being here. I told hold up. My lord, this pertains to settlement of a.
Sorry for interruption, Lordship. May I please, Your Lordship, in this matter, my repetition has been allowed, Your Lordship, but the appellant did not make us party, Your Lordship, and I have filed a caveat also. Number 1131, Your Lordship.
Morian Bibi.
Yes, sir.
Actually, my lord, there were two writ petitions independent. Both were taken up together analogously. Single order was passed. I'll serve a copy.
You will have to make him a party.
I'll make him a party and I'll serve a copy.
File IF.
The only thing, my lord, we are running the shop, my lord, shops from 2017. The honorable single judge has not come in my favor. My lord, only till the date, my lord considers the matter.
Mr. Nair, at least you should not have behaved like government has behaved. You should have made him a party.
My lord, I'm sorry, my lord.
Everything.
My friend made a mistake there, my lord. I apologize for that. We will do that.
You need not.
Because, my lord, there were two writ petitions. Maybe he was under the impression.
It may be.
It's a mistake, my lord. It's a mistake.
I get it circulated.
Lordship,
We'll make him.
We'll do that.
Like that.
2 weeks. Next.
Matter number 22.
My lord, I'm sorry, I was not present in
No, don't feel sorry.
No, my lord, so far as the honorable single judge's my lord judgment which has been assailed in this repetition in this writ appeal, that has already been, my lord, a number of cases were decided. There is already one my lord writable fine, and your lordship has been pleased to issue notice only in that matter. My prayer will be, my lord, in this matter also your lordship may issue notice and tag it with the other matter.
Notice returnable on.
All right.
Next.
Matter number 24.
May it please your lordship. In this case, lordship, the PWD is to construct it, lordship. We have floated the tender, it is in the newspaper today. But I have a second thought, if lordship permits, because this tender, and if you complete the tender process, then the construction, it will consume about 6 months, to be on a safer side. So I have spoken to the highest authority as well as the special commissioner of PWD, lordship. The work is not of a very big nature, lordship. So we can do it departmentally without having the tender. So although the tender is not issued, tomorrow maybe if lordship consent, lordship, we can cancel the tender process and do it departmentally and complete the work at the earliest, maybe in about 45 days.
But learned advocates in the law, can we permit
No.
a government work to be done without tender?
And only thing is that if lordship, otherwise it will take the tender process minimum 21 days, and to complete the tender process, it will take 45 days, lordship.
No, no. That can be expedited.
Even if then suppose earliest it is 21 days.
Ah,
Already the sanction is also given by the government.
therefore, see, that tender is to be opened when? On 12th of December,
Yes,
probably on 12th of December.
lordship,
If
it is like, I have
read it-
received a tender notice. It wasn't one tender notice, one second. It has been issued today. I have received in the WhatsApp. I'll just check it out.
You see the last date, that can be, see, to permit now to have departmental, now we can't do it.
Lordship.
Therefore, we were telling Mr. Nath that you give us the timetable. And tender, every tender may not take 45 days.
Suppose it is.
I think 12th December. If it is 3 weeks, it has to be 12th December.
Technical account. The tender notice, it will be available from 21st of November.
Hmm.
In this notice, the notice which has been issued today, there is no last date has been given also.
Hmm.
So they have started the process, then details may be seen website so and so, and also in the office of the understanding in the
Therefore,
technical.
you can speed up this issue.
We can fix a date, lordship, no
Ah.
difficulty.
Short tender notice is not an unknown formula in tendering.
So what we can do, lordship, we can fix a short date for submission of the last.
Yes. Tell us by next Monday. Come with the timetable.
Timetable, lordship, then the actual work will start sometime in mid of December, lord.
No problem.
Then
No
it is
problem.
no difficulty, lord.
You
Because
come
we
with the
have both
time-
the options open. This is what I want to apprise this honorable court.
But that option, we are late now.
Lord. Let it come next Monday, lordship. I'll give the complete timeline, lord.
21st.
Deeply obliged.
Next.
Matter number 27.
Yes, Ms. Bhattacharya ji.
Yes, Lordship.
What is this? Charge sheet.
Charge sheet, Lord.
Now, what actions you have taken against the officer?
Lordship.
What actions you have taken against the hearing officer?
Lordship, charge sheet has now been filed because he is absconding, Lordship. This is shown abscondent.
No, no. Any departmental proceedings you have taken?
Oh, that is right.
All are
Yes.
still working, my lord,
Huh?
discharging, all officials are still working, discharging their duties, my lord.
Departmental proceeding started here.
Huh?
Already departmental proceeding is initiated against Daniel.
Give us the details of those departmental proceedings.
Proceedings are all details. So the present.
Next date, you know.
Huh?
And next day we will produce the detailed list.
23rd. At the request of client. Give it back to Ms. Bhattacharya.
Deeply obliged, your Lord.
Online.
Next.
Matter number 32.
32, somebody mentioned the matter. It was kept at 242 of.
I am for the respondent.
Uh.
In this case, the appellant has submitted one land document, Domavanti, copy of the Domavanti. I have gone to the same, where I have found there is no 16 acres of land which belongs to the respondent's father. In this regard, I have made communication to my client. So for the land belong to him in his name. He informed me that he will furnish some documents to me. Some time will need. Accordingly, my lord, 2 weeks time may be granted to me so that I can, my lord, appraise this honorable court so for his properties.
January. Next.
All right.
Matter number 37.
Next is Your Lordship.
Matlab, may kindly is the instructions I received. Pursuant to your lordship's order, that verification has been done. Kindly see, my lord, page 2. Page 2, I have paginated, my lord, bearing the first 2 pages, which is the letter written to me. The others are paginated. Annexure B, page 2. This is the report given to the PC, my lord, by the circle of.
So again, we turn to page 14 of the order.
That's
Accordingly, we direct the state government to examine if any government land has been utilized by any person, including so and so without so and so, as the case may be. Now you examine this.
examination has been done.
Hmm.
And then kindly come to the top right corner, you will find the page numbers. Page 4 is the notice given to them. Lala Municipal Board is hereby informed to relinquish and hand over the possession of the property at the scheduled land mentioned here under. The relinquished property to be handed
Now
over
what
to
have
the
you done with this notice?
the next page, my lord, they have relinquished. Page 5.
Hmm.
And
So the land has already been handed over to you.
they have relinquished, handed over to us. And page 6, my lord, kindly see again, the executive officer, since my lord, the block development office and the Lala office of the Lala town committee, that is in existence since the year 1952. So they said that this is the town committee office is there, so the land is required for their purpose, and accordingly they have requested us for allotment of the land. And now that process as per the Assam Land and Revenue Regulation has been initiated, and the proposal is now on 19th of November, the meeting is the SDLC meeting is scheduled.
We are not concerned with
Lordship,
that
Lordship.
because this is a contempt matter. We have to look at the order.
Yes, well, that verification has been done, and accordingly that process has been initiated.
Yes, counsel. Nothing remains now.
Actually, what happened, Your Lordship?
You can challenge if they do anything else. This is a contempt. Only the directions are to be followed or not.
Lordship, town committee, the building,
The matter ends there. Close.
Lordship, the communication may be furnished to me, Your Lord, so that I can go through.
You are an RTI activist. Give him a copy. There is no difficulty. Close. Next.
Number 45.
May it is read your lordship. By this petition, I have challenged the validity of Rule 4, Sub-Rule 2, of the Plastic Waste Management Rule 2016. Notified by the notice 12/8/21.
And your lordship will find the notification at page 83, madam.
Who is for the Union of India?
Lordship, I am there for Union of India.
See, in your affidavit, right from page 282 onward, you have not dealt with the main challenge which is made by the petitioner.
Yeah.
I think your officers must have sent you
Lordship,
those pair-wise remarks and it is
no,
converted
Lordship,
into
nothing
affidavit.
was received, Lordship. I just made the preliminary, they requested me for a preliminary.
In virus matter, this difficulty arises in many matters here. You have to deal with it, the virus part of it. These are all facts, 86 and 96 and rules.
Lordship, exactly, Lordship.
You have to file proper affidavit. And in fact, the affidavit when virus is challenged is should be by the officer of the central government, not your local officer.
Lordship, this affidavit did not try only in the purpose of the on challenge of the maintainability, your Lordship.
Maintainability, now it is admitted for hearing, that stage has gone.
No, Lordship, actually, I requested, Lordship, the stage is still open, Lordship, that's why I filed this petition.
You file proper affidavit,
Lordship, are detailed by parawise affidavit, Lordship. That's why
not
we have
pair-wise. You have to deal with it. Your pair-wise remark may not contain anything.
Actually, yes, Lordship, I agree that, Lordship, but this is petition for.
Last time also, in fact, I had indicated to my brother that the affidavit is not proper. Nobody appears for Nagaland. They are not concerned with. See, this is pan-India effect. Do you understand?
Lordship.
A word from in our judgment will have pan-India effect.
Exactly.
You have to take it seriously when virus are challenged. That too of as a central government council. We are not satisfied with the affidavit
May I pray,
in
my lord?
opposition. Filed
May
by
I pray that
the
the stay may kindly be granted till then.
central government.
Lordship, this affidavit was filed only for the rejection of the stay, your Lordship, for the purpose of maintainability and rejection.
क्या लिखा?
Virus index. Okay. Certainly, Lordship. But
Yes.
nothing to be there.
Yes,
To be honest, Lordship, lots of instructions were sent, requests were sent, Lordship, but there was comment was not received, Lordship.
the deponent on behalf of the central government has not dealt with the core issue which has been raised in this petition. And response number 1 is direct to file his own affidavit. Dealing with the contentions raised on the validity of the very provisions which are on which are challenged by the petitioner. 20 December. Next. Next.
Much obliged.
Who is coming that? Pull out. No, okay. होता है इसको बोला है वो यार
Part 2 hearing list, item number 11 to 15.
May I appear, Your Lordship? Lordship, I appeared in item number 14 and 15. Lordship, in this case, earlier senior counsel, Mr. SSD was engaged. Now, Lordship, Lordship, senior counsel, Mr. K. Chaudhary has been engaged. Can these matters be taken up next Friday, Lordship, on 25th?
No, my lord, next week, Friday.
25th.
No, we will not give any date in this board. Don't ask for any particular date. It will continue on the board if you don't want to conduct today.
My lord, only thing, my lord.
This is a monthly hearing list. We don't want to.
No, but only thing tomorrow, day after, I will not be here, my lord, that's right. Let it be.
Don't worry, council. Next.
Lovely.
Next.
Item number 19.
Lordship, it relates to red hole mining, Lordship, in Ipam area. Ipam Hills. Lordship, one affidavit was filed by Srimati Nandita Dutta, Lordship. And therein, the inquiry report of the committee set up for that purpose, Lordship, is annexed, Lordship. Lordship may have it at page 8, Lordship.
Yes. But this position is of 2019.
Lordship, the recent
What is
developments.
the position in 22 is more important. Whether they have continued or government has taken any step on it. That is more important.
Lordship, that's not on record.
Who appears for the state government? And sir, you appear for?
I am for Coal India.
All India. You need not tell us that you appear for whom.
Yes. As far as this particular case is concerned, none of the land mentioned by them involves Coal India land. We are not affected.
Then it belongs to whom?
It's government land.
Government land.
Government. Right.
Government of Arunachal Pradesh or
Assam.
Assam?
Yes. We had given an affidavit where we have shown certain places where lateral mining did take place, but we controlled it with the help of district administration. No. Not in our land.
Because the reports are of 2019.
Yes.
Now that we don't know what is the position as on date. Somebody will have to tell us because you may be having experts with you, Coal India.
Lordship, as far as we have no instructions now, but there's no problem in within our leasehold land. But there are lateral mining that is going on, we know. The problem is there.
Ms. Bhattacharya? No, we'll appoint somebody. We don't want to be at the mercy of your instructions. Otherwise, it would be as good as mining for us. Who can do it?
If you can Margarita area.
PL Kumamoto 3 of 2018. The present petition is based on the newspaper reports published in Assami newspaper Niyoma Patra in its edition of 5th of April 2000, wherein it was reported that illegal mining is going on without any control in the historic Deepam Hill laden with memories of Chalang, Changlang, Sukafa faces, Chaglong area. Attention of this court was drawn by learned advocate Mr. Nilay Datta, and on basis of it, the present PIL has been registered. We find that affidavits have been filed by different authorities in form of affidavit in opposition. Mr. Ahmad Lan, senior advocate, appearing for Coal India, has categorically stated that the areas which are demarcated for Coal India Limited, no illegal mining is going on. However, the Learned Council also opined that illegal mining is reported in other areas. We find that the reports which are produced in form of different affidavits, and more particularly, the affidavit dated 12 February 2020 also contains an inquiry report of the committee constituted by Government of Assam with a notification dated 17/1/2020, wherein even the photographs have been brought on record. We find that thereafter, the state government has not come out with any action taken plan, and therefore we deem it fit to direct Secretary Forest Department and Chief Conservator of Forest, Southern Arunachal Circle, and the Conservator of Forest Assam to bring on record the current position as well as the action taken report as per the based upon the findings of the report brought on record by the committee constituted pursuant to the order of this court dated 18/12/2019. Such exercise shall be undertaken by the authorities within a period of 1 week from today. The matter may be listed again on 24th. Today is 17th, isn't it? Let it come on 30th of December, or 30th of November. Next.
Matter number 20 to 23.
Ken Chaudhary, he is not available. Chaudhary is not. You inform them, we can call out tomorrow. Whatever, inform them that it will be taken up. Well, keep not. But then we'll get time. Anybody is there, then it is fruitful. Otherwise.
My lord, in fact, this matter you lordship was pleased to hear at length, and my friend was got instructions from that. As regarding, because this is a dispute right regarding allocation of wheat by the government in the PDS before between the flour mill and yes. The impugn order is of 2007, my lord, 2009. By this time, lord,
So what survives now after?
But issue is not, still this distribution is going on at the state rate. We say that there is an anomaly as regard the,
But Mr. Dubey,
ratio.
by now the new orders must have been passed.
no new order has been, this is the same being operated now.
Give the file. Who appears for the government? Mr. Pura, you are there? What are your instructions?
Instruction, my lord, the challenge in the appeal, that is, my lord, it still continue in the department. The allotment of my lord food grains to the, my lord, roller flour mill and Moran Shaki mill. Percentage. Percentage. Because production of my lord Shaki mill is very low and flour mill is very high. That is why, my lord, it was allotted to the flour mill.
Page 47 is the include order. 48 is the trucks.
No, we, last time also we had indicated, I now I recollect.
My left.
That the single judge gave a direction to the secretary, food and civil supply to take a decision.
Yes.
Whether that decision is taken or not, that is where we had stopped.
No, pursuant to that, my lord, this 7th September 2007. What has been-
Because these are ultimately, Mr. Dubey,
Yes,
a
ma'am.
matter of policy of the government.
Yes, that's true, my lord.
We can't interfere more than, unless and until we find anything because first bit, you, page number one,
Page 47, my lord.
47.
48 is the ratio, my lord. This is on which, my lord.
But these are all within the realm of
Yes.
policy of the government.
That's true, my lord, but my lord, your lordship is while judicial review, my lord,
No, judicial review to what?
but examining the decision making process, my lord.
That is, even you don't know how they have decided. How are we going to know? See the reasoning given by the learned single judge. Read the order, this is appeal ultimately.
Yes, my lord.
For at the most, you may approach the government, that can be provided. Because you are an associate. We are not here to decide the quotas of PTA, wheat and all that.
In that case, your lordship may grant us liberty to approach the authorities, my lord, in scenario. Well, it's true, my lord. One of the yardstick that has been chosen, my lord.
See, we can redefine that policy like this. Likho bhai. Writ appeal number 149 of 2017. Feeling aggrieved and dissatisfied by the judgment and order dated
4/8/2016.
4/8/2016, passed by learned single in writ petition civil number so and so. The original petitioner has preferred this appeal. In a nutshell, the challenge before the learned single judge was to the effect that 90% of the total allotment of PDS wheat was formally awarded to the petitioner association. Whereas, as per the policy decision taken by the government of India to distribute whole wheat instead of atta to the consumers under PDS, the allotment of whole wheat to both the petitioner and RFMS roller floor mills came to be discontinued. The record also indicates that earlier a writ petition was filed being writ petition civil number 4782 of 2004, which came to be disposed of by judgment and order dated 23/2/2007. Heard Mr. The state policy of the government was the subject matter of challenge in the instant writ petition by the association, wherein the petitioner inter alia 3 days under heard Mr. R. Dubey for the appellant and Mr. R. K. Boral and government counsel for the respondent. And I also gone through the impugned judgment and order. We find that the single judge has threadbare discussed the existence of roller floor mills as well as the modern chakki mills in the state of Assam. And considering the earlier order dated 23/2/2007 passed in writ petition civil number 4000 of 2004 and writ petition civil number 4782 of 2004. And having considered the binding decisions of the apex court, has also considered the aspect whether the authorities have acted fairly or not. Has come to the conclusion that there is no violation of the directions of this honorable court given in its earlier order dated 23/2/2007. And was pleased to dismiss the writ petition. We are in total agreement with the reasoning given by the learned single judge. The allotment comes within the realm of policy decision of the government. And there is nothing on record to show that the decision making process is either erroneous or biased or malafide. In absence of any such challenge, no interference is called for. However, it would be open for the appellant association to approach the state government. And if any such application is filed, it is expected that the authorities of the state government shall consider the same record on state law. With his observation, the appeal is disposed of. No cost. Who else is there? The Council of Section 15. Mr. Laskar, you have two matters, 20 and 21.
Yes, I have a connected matter wherein became Mr. Senior Advocate was leading.
Who is leading you?
I think became Mr. Senior Advocate.
DK Mitra.
DK Mitra. So since he was not there, so I have also not come. Tomorrow,
We are not adjourning. If we find time tomorrow, we'll take up. You please inform me.
I'll try.
Anybody else is there? Where is it? Counsel is there. Oh. Who is not able? At least you inform them so that like this petty matters are there, we can. Hmm? He would not be there. Consumer. We don't adjourn the matter. We follow. Where KN Chaudhary is not there. Item number. You inform them so that tomorrow we can, like today. So that like today we can have benefit.